Your sick mitochondria could be causing your chronic inflammation. Allow me to explain. Let me show you this picture right here. Now, all the way on the right, you're going to see a healthy mitochondria. Then on the left, you're going to see a damaged mitochondria. Now, what the research shows is mitochondria actually has its own DNA. So let me show you this picture here. So what you're seeing right here is a picture of the DNA in the mitochondria. So far over on the left that's the cell. Then you're going to see these green oval things. That's the mitochondria. That's the picture in the middle. And then the picture all the way over to the right that says circular mitochondria DNA, that's the circular DNA in your mitochondria. Now what can happen if you have damaged mitochondria, that DNA can actually leach out of the mitochondria and get into your cell, basically in the middle of your cell, and this can cause chronic systemic inflammation. So if you have a lot of oxidative stress and your mitochondria are damaged, your mitochondria are literally leaking the DNA in the mitochondria into the cell itself, and this causes global chronic inflammation. So you need to address your mitochondria, you need to decrease your inflammation, decrease your oxidative stress in order for you to get well. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.